Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Virtual Study. In my last video, we have solved exercise 1.2 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4. In today's video, we will solve exercise 1.2 of the workbook. So without wasting our time, let's get started. This is question number 1 of exercise 1.2. Here is a thermometer. The arrow is pointing to 10 degrees centigrade. Draw an arrow on the thermometer pointing to minus 5 degrees centigrade. This is 10 degrees centigrade. And we have to draw an arrow on 5 degrees centigrade, minus 5 degrees centigrade. That is negative integers. And we know that numbers in negative are lesser than 0. So to find the number that is in negative, we have to go beyond 0. So we will see the number here. This number minus 5 degrees centigrade we can find here. So here we will see the number. This will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this is minus 5. This is minus 5. Now let's move to second question. Question number 2 is here are some temperatures: 4 degrees centigrade, minus 3 degrees centigrade, 5 degrees centigrade, 0 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade. Which is the warmest temperature? Warmest temperature here is, you can find the greater number, the greater the number, the warmer the temperature. This is 5 degrees centigrade. Which is the coldest temperature? So the coldest temperature is minus 3, because this is the least value here. After 0 we will have minus 1, minus 2, and then minus 3. Minus 3 is the least degree temperature here. Look at the number line. Question number 3. Look at the number line. Write where you would land on the number line after these moves. This is the same question that we have already done in our learner book. So we will start on minus 4 and count on 1. From minus 4 we will count on 1, so we will reach at minus 3. We will start at 6 and count back 6, so we will reach to 0. We'll start from minus 5. This is minus 5 and count on 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So we'll reach to minus 2. Start with the 0 and count back 9. So we will go to minus 9. This was very simple. Now question number 4. This is question number 4. Circle the larger number in each pair. Find the difference between the two numbers. Use the number line to help you. So minus 6, minus 2, these are two numbers. Here you can see this is minus 6, minus 2. You can help with the number line 1, 2, 3 and 4. Difference is of 4 number. Minus 3, minus 1, difference will be of 2 number. 4 and minus 4. You have to start from here and then this. So let's see the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number 5. Here is a part of a number line. Write the missing numbers in the boxes. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is minus 10. So minus 9, minus 8 and minus 7. We will start counting from the number that is nearest to us. See, like here with this box, nearest number is minus 10, so I started counting from here. And with this box, nearest number is 0, so I started counting from here. The thermometer, question number 6, the thermometer shows a temperature of minus 8 degrees centigrade. Draw arrows on the thermometer to point to these temperatures. Okay. So this is minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to draw arrows on the temperature. Minus 4. So this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and this will be minus 4. Minus 4. And then 14. 14 will be here. 14. And then minus 1. This is 0. This one will be minus 1. The first line here. Okay. The first line from 0. Question number 7 is write the missing numbers in these sequences. So two sequences are given to us, A and B, and we have to write the missing numbers -12 -8 dash 0 4 8. Okay, so we see the numbers are increasing from 0, it is 4, it is 8, and here you can also see, as I said, that when we move in the right hand side in the number line, so value is increasing. So we are here moving in the right hand side, -12 -8, and then we are moving to the right hand side. This will be -4 according to the sequence. We are adding 4 every time. The term to term rule of this sequence is we are adding 4 every time. So -4, 0, 4, 8, and 12. And this is the next sequence, -15 and then -5. Okay, so here it will be 10, -10. This is adding 5 every time. -15, -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, and 15. So term to term rule here is add 5 every time, and term to term rule in this sequence is add 4 every time. Question number 8. The temperature outside when Suraya arrived at school was -1 degree centigrade. By lunchtime, the temperature had risen by 8 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature at lunchtime? So temperature will be 7 degrees centigrade. You can take the help of number line for this question as well. Here we have this number line. We can take help from this. So we will start from -1. This is 0. So this one is -1. Okay, and temperature had risen by 8 degrees centigrade, so we will add 8 in there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8, and which number is this? 4 5 6 7. So our answer was 7 degrees centigrade. That was correct. Now let's move to question number 9. Question number 9. Put these numbers in order on the number line. So from 0 we will start. From 0 there is 1. This is 1. Okay, and there is no more positive integers. There are only negative integers. So this is -1. So this will be -1, -2, -3. This is -3. So, and there is no -4, and this one -5. So this will be this -5. Question number 10. The temperature in Amsterdam is 2 degrees centigrade. The temperature in Helsinki is -7 degrees centigrade. Okay. How many degrees warmer is it in Amsterdam than in Helsinki? So we need to tell the difference in the temperature. So for this, what we will do, we will count from one temperature to the other temperature. We will use the same number line that is present here. Okay. So we have already labeled a few of them. This is 1, so this is 2. This is 2, so we will start counting from here. This 2, and we have this -6. This will be -7. Sorry, this is -5. This is -6, and one more here. That will be -7. So we now count the difference from here. This is 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what is the difference? It is differences of 9 degrees centigrade. Now next question is a fridge freezer. Temperature in the freezer is -15 degrees centigrade. The temperature in the fridge is 4 degrees centigrade. What is the difference in temperature between the fridge and the freezer? Okay, so there are two ways. Either we can use number line. I have just told you how you can use number line. There is one more way. From -15, when we will go to 0, the difference will be obvious of 15 numbers. And then from 0, when we will go to +4, the difference will be of 4 numbers. So 15 plus 4 will be 19. So you can simply write the number 19 here, or you can take the help of any number line just by counting from 15 in the same way that we have done -15, -14, -13, -12, -11. This will be a long, but you will also get the answer from number line as well. And you can also use this method that from minus 15 when you will go to 0, the difference will be of 15 number, and then from 0 when you will go to 4, the difference will be of 4 number. Then you can add these both and the answer 19 will come. Next question is question number 12. Here is a part of a number line. Write the missing numbers in the boxes. This is very easy. Okay, and this is 100. So this is 0 and this is 100. That means let's see how many lines are between 0 and 100. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we count one line as 10, so see 10, 20, 30, 40 and 100. No, this will not. Now we will increase the difference. Let's take one line as 20, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. This goes well with the 20. So this is 80. Now again from here we will start by difference of 20. So this will be minus 20. This will be minus 40. Mira counts on in 3 starting at minus 13. Okay, counts on means she is counting forward. She is going in the right in the number line. She says if I start at minus 13 and keep adding 3, I will reach 0. This what we can do, we can divide 13 okay with 3 and we can see can it happen or not. So 3 4 are 12. Remainder will be 1. If there will be no remainder, that means that Mira is correct. But since we got a remainder, that means she is incorrect. So Mira is incorrect here. This is the best way to know whether you will reach at that number or not. Okay, and we can also write the sequence to check it. For example, minus 13, then minus 10, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1 and then 2. Okay, you can use term to term rule, add 3 here and then follow this, so you will know that there is no 0 coming. In minus 1 when we will again add 3, so answer will be 2. So we will not reach 0. Mira will not reach 0 here. So I will write answer here as well. And I have written this answer. No, she is incorrect. She can check by dividing 13 by 3 and we get a remainder proving that she is incorrect. Otherwise, there would be no remainder. This was all for today. We have finished exercise 1.2 of workbook here. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.